We want to state the exact value of the sine of 240 degrees. We draw a cast diagram. (240 degrees) is between 180 and 270. So this angle is 240 degrees. The associated acute angle will be this angle, which is 60 degrees, 240 take 180. We're in the T quadrant, so the sine is negative. The sine of 240 degrees, therefore, will be equal to minus the sine of 60 degrees, and we should know that the sine of 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. Now for the cosine of 300 degrees. We draw our cast diagram. And we locate 300 degrees. This is the angle 300 degrees, and the associated acute angle to the x-axis will therefore be 60 degrees. We're in the C quadrant, so the cosine is positive, and therefore the cosine of 300 degrees will be equal to the cosine of 60 degrees, which is a half. Now consider the tan of 210 degrees. Once again, we draw a cast diagram. And we locate 210 degrees, which is 30 degrees beyond 180. This is 210 degrees, and the associated acute angle to the x-axis is therefore 30 degrees. We're in the T quadrant, so the tangent is positive. The tangent of 210 degrees, therefore, is equal to the tangent of 30 degrees, which is 1 over root 3.